15 December usuku olukhulu, first celebration, umkhonto wesizwe party ukhona. Si nenhlelo ke eziningi kakhulu, amabhasi
amandla comrades angibingelele uTrevor Kamkhize organizer transport transport mobilization la eThekwini region. Ngicela ukuthula i-team engihamba nayo mobilizing team from the transport department eThekwini region. Ngino Dr. uDlamini abamazi ngomzimba Khalimali i-comrade lethu, bese ngiba no comrade uDecent Dlamini oyena head of transport eThekwini region mobilizing team. Bese kuba khona comrade uThulasi Mkhize coordinator, kube khona uZandi Makhanya admin, kube khona uPamela Masango admin. Ngicela ukudlulisela comrade lami uDlamini.
Angibonge Khabazela, ngibonge ithuba. Lokho okwami nje ukusika ngelijikayo ukuthi lo hlelo luzohamba kanjani. We know ukuthi kuzobe khona izitimela ezobe isuke ezweni lonkana, kuzobe khona amabhasi, kuzobe khona abezelayo ngama-transport wabo and so on and so forth. But ngizonikezela ku-comrade Thulasi Mkhize okuyena kuzonaba kabanzi ukuthi lezi zinhlelo zizohamba kanjani. Sibonge.
Mandla siyabonga, ngiyabingelela ama-comrade nonke, ngibingelela amaqabane wonke omkhonto wesizwe kwiThekwini region and abroad. Kona wonke in fact ama-regions akhele i-KZN. 15 December usuku olukhulu, first celebration, umkhonto wesizwe party ukhona. Si nenhlelo ke eziningi kakhulu, amabhasi azobe khona kuma regions wonke, in particular for i-region yaseThekwini wonke amazone wo-16 anamabhasi efanele ukuthi apick up kuma spots. Siyacela ukuthi ama-comrade ayenza ama-registrations kuma VD coordinators kwi-leadership yama-VDs yama-wards ukuthi bayeza ngomhla ka-15 kuDisemba. Uma ngabe bebhalisile bazoqinisekiswa ukuthi iyeza transport ezoba pick up kuma VDs nakuma pick up spots abazobe bewabhalisele. Izitimela zikhona ngomhla ka-15 December ezizobe zithatha umkhonto wesizwe ngale kwenkokhelo. Manje umkhonto wesizwe ngalelo langa uyobe uthathwa lapho ukhona ngesitimela uze straight eMoses Mabhida. Izitimela zikhona all over from Verelem kwaMashu, Catholic Umlazi kuyoze koshaya phansi eSouth Coast koScottsburg Bakrim. Ama-comrade siyacela ukuthi azinikele, azimisele ukuthi awasweleki eMoses Mabhida ngoba i-transport ikhona. Kulabo abangafinyelela amabhasini naseyitimeleni azobe khona ama-taxi azobe deployiwe ukuzo pick up ama-comrade. Kodwa siyacela ukuthi ama-comrade again aphinde futhi abuyele kuma-VD coordinators, abuyele kubaholi bama-VDs ayobhalisa i-presence yabo ne-availability yabo ukuze kukwazi ukuthi ku-arrangeke kahle into ye-transport. Even if you are coming with your own transport, siyakudinga eMoses Mabhida ngalilalanga. Asibizi kuphela bamabhasi but wonke umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi afinyelele eMoses Mabhida umhla ka-15 December. Umkhonto wesizwe uzobungaza unyaka ukhona, umkhonto wesizwe, i-revolution is alive again. Siyabonga. Sithi-ke kunina nonke amaqabane aseThekwini region, sabelane ngobunqamalalo usememezile. Amandla amandla
bengicela ukuthi sesivala nje lo mcimbi emphasize lo mcimbi eThekwini akuwona o-MK kuphela. As you know ukuthi i-MK party is a revolution. Sicela zonke inhlaka zomphakathi ukuthi zifike zizobukaza kanye nathi wonke amagungu omhlaba. Sicela ukuthi amakhosi alalele asisupport kulolu hambo. Sicela ukuthi amasosha abuye wonke ngokuhlukana kwawo njengoba ezasahlukana seyigabeni eziningi nakwezinye inhlangano. Siyacela ukuthi asupport umkhonto wesizwe because wakhelwe ohlakeni lwamasosha. Bese sicela abasebenzi kuzo zonke inyunyane zabasebenzi nabasebenzi enkampanini zizonkana ukuthi abasondele basabele ikhwelo lika-MK usuku olukhulu lolu. Bese sicela futhi nabefundisi ukuthi nabo abasondele, sicela abelaphi bendabuko abasondele, sibambisane, sicelebrate sonke njengesizwe. This is a nation's celebration, not only MK. Ngibonge kuleyo ndawo. Siyabonga. Amandla. Wethu.
Mandla.
Siyabonga. Sicela ukubuza singaba nama-questions.
Yes, you can. You can, of course.
So mina ngifisa ukubuza about iy'timela ngoba abantu abaningi angithi ngizokuthiwa khona ngokubhalisa yabo. So if nakhona ugibela isitimela kuyaphoqa mhlawumbe ubhalise ukuthi uzogibela isitimela yabo, noma isho ukubhalisa vele iy'timela zima nokuthi futhi uma usungena esitimeleni ubonakala kanjani ukuthi wena u-MK. Yiphi indlela ezokwazi ukuthi abantu basesitimeleni ba-recognize ngayo abantu abamashazi laphana ukuthi wena uya eMoses Mabhida noma izitimela zobe zimahhala for wonke umuntu oza eMoses Mabhida. So ingafuna ukuthontisela khona.
Angithi uyabona uMK inhlangano enkulu. Inhlangano ye-revolution, inhlangano ezophatha eSouth Africa ibuyisele abantu isithunzi sabo nesidima sabo. So ngelanga lomhla ka-15 izitimela zonke by mandate zizobe zimahhala. Izitimela zonke ezibheke eMoses Mabhida. Okudingayo eregalia esicelayo thina ukuthi noma ngabe uyongena esitimeleni aziwa kodwa kwi-video yakho ukuthi ukhona eMoses Mabhida ubhalisile uselistini yabantu abayeMoses Mabhida, because that is going to help us ngamanye ama-logistics as well other than isitimela. So siyakudinga ke lokho ukuthi kwenzeke. Kodwa nje ngomhla ka-15 uma ugqoke iregalia ungena esitimeleni usukhokhile ithikithi lakho lelo. Mandla.
Again, question yamatekisi. Ever since khona amatekisi nakhona same strategy onobhalisa. Uyibona ngani itekisi ethi iya eMK? Uyibona kanjani? Uyabona phela maningi ama-taxi ezothi ya eMabhida. So manje izozonke lezi zinto about issue yamabhasi futhi ukuthi ke nakhona amabhasi amasipala azotholakala kanjani, azobeka kuma-VD abo. Isho amatekisi nakhona kuthiwa namatekisi amahhala. Umuntu uzoyibona kanjani ukuthi le tekisi iye eMoses Mabhida eMK? Angathi umuntu athi wabanamanga labantu abawusithanda athi siyakhona ukuthi uma usungaphakathi wekhokha.
Danke ngombuzo. No, njoba ngisho into enkulu ewukhiye ukona konke i-registration. Uma ngabe uregistile usemalistini aya eMoses Mabhida uzoba ne-stop la ivideo yonke iyivumelene ukuthi la kule video sithathwa khona. Ngenza nje umzekelo ngami, mina ngihlala eWard 94, ivideo yami iHabiyana. So there's going to be a hotspot la iHabiyana izobihlangana khona ukuthi bazoyipick up khona, whether babhalisela ukungena eTaxini or babhalisela ukungena ebhasini. But labo bantu labo bazobe bene-stop labo bezobe bepick up khona. So itekisi ngeke ihambe yehla ngomgaqo ihambe ikhomba ishaya ihoot ithatha abantu abayeMoses Mabhida, but it will go straight to a certain spot la izofika ipick up khona abantu bese yabathatha balethe eMoses Mabhida. And if kunjalo then akekho umuntu ozobe efuna imali uma usungenele eTaxini. O-15 rand, o-25 rand nazonke lezi imali lezi. No, kulelo langa nje umkhonto wena ubalulekile awukhokho uyaphela eMoses Mabhida uyo-celebrate kuphela lokho esikufunayo.
So umuntu osuke eZululand ngoba phela kule ndawo ngapho kune-strike, if just in case i-strike isiqhubeka, we are not sure ukuzophela nini. Ikhona noma plans mhlawumbe just in case kuba khona i-strike isiqhubeka abantu abasuka koZululand khona zendawo ngapha nje kaphela ngoba ama-Texas Steaming Station engasebenzi yonke le ndawo lokhuzana inyukayo ukuthi indlela mhlawumbe ikhona nama-arrangement enhleli just in case isiqhubeka ikhona indlela ezokwazi ukwenza ngabantu befike. Also, but they are looking forward to come to Moses Mabhida. Ever since this meeting,
ubuza umbuzo omuhle. Uyabona nje we sitting with almost 10,000 wama-comrade aseZululand who are registered kuma list as a Moses Mabhida. The numbers are still growing because the Zululand promised almost 20,000 wabantu abeza abasuka eZululand. Namanye ama-regions all the way kuyaphansi go South Coast, go Lower South Coast, ugo region erigwala phezulu. Oxopo namanye ama-areas. So iwari ye-long distance sinayo. Well ke into ze-GNU mos uyayazi GNU. Asifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu ngayo lana, asifuni izinto ezosicasula. Sifuna ukukhuluma izinto ezi-progressive eziyaphambili. No, i-MK njengoba sihlela lama-transport esiwahlelayo, these are private organized transportations ezingazile ukuzophazamisa uhlelo lwabafowethu baka public transport, and siyabaseka emfunweni zabo nasendleleni yokusebenza kwabo. Asifuni ukuthi siphazamisane nabo njengomkhonto wesizwe, and we will continue to respect them for as long as belwela into abayibonayo ukuthi iyadinga ukuthi ilwelwe. Ngeke thina sime endleleni yabo futhi ngeke sibaphazamise, but inhlelo zamabhasi njengoba zizoya straight kuma VDs asifuni futhi ukuthi ziphazamisane nabo, ngoba abanye abantu bangagcina sebefaka imoto bethi hayi siya eMoses Mabhida kanti behamba becoshana la emgaqweni, into esingayazi thina okwethu nje abantu balandwa kuma VDs, Zululand, King Cetshwayo, wonke lama regions kuze kuyoshaya phansi othukela Majuba, phansi eNyukhasela, wonke lama regions zikhona inhlelo zama transport, and lezo inhlelo lezo zi-organize ukuthi umuntu ungene listini, uma esese listini kune sport azothathwa kusona leso sport leso esiyi-VD ngokujwayelekile. So yilo lo hlelo lo lesebenza ngalo ukuze kungabe bikhuvanzi labantu ekuthiwa hayi sesiyasuka manje sesiyolanda usibanibani, sesiyasuka manje sesiyolanda usibanibani. I-transport isuka la isuka khona ima kuyi-VD, ithatha abantu aba-organized abakuyi-VD abaziwayo bangene bakhale ebhasini ziyahamba.
So bengicela uku-add nje before uqhubeke mfowethu. In any transport like it takes or a bus, there's going to be some kind of identifier ezoprintwa umkhonto wesizwe. And also kulabantu busibona set list will have some kind of a tag that link them with their transport, so that will make it easier ukuthi umuntu athole transport yakhe. Coming to the issue of long distance, I think that's why leadership is there qhamuka ne-issue yetimela, because there's some kind of problem with the long distance. So as they say, itimela will be coming from all walks of life in South Africa to try and assist in this regard. So there'll be an identifier in terms of this is the taxi that goes to Mabhida, and also some kind of a tag, because even in the stadium, abantu bazobe behleli ngama t-shirts based on where they are coming from. So it tells you there's a linkage in terms of getting abantu ukuthi babe united in one spot, so that bengezikwazi ukulahlekela. Why immobilization transport team was removed from the mobilization was for the very same fact ukuthi abantu bayalahlekela bagcina abantu sebesale Mabhida abanye bengasabuyi and so on and so forth. So we are specifically there to ensure that everybody gets transport back home.
Overflow, because the way izinto engibuka ngazo umdlalo wabhalela 20,000 oqhamuka eZululand assumption. So indlela ikhona iplan overflow ukuthi ke just in case engifikile mhlawumbe sifike late asangenalo 60,000, so i-overflow iplan alo cela ukuthepha in laba abangekho la mhlawumbe ikhona information now for bona mhlawumbe overflow ikhona iplan yayo.
No, definitely we are aware ukuthi balo zoba more than what we have anticipated. As you know, it is going to be a choker blocker on that day. I'm not sure if they are ready enough to receive umkhonto wesizwe. As you know, number third party in South Africa, biggest party in South Africa. It tells you, and there's an excitement for very many people that want to come there. Even as I was business on so you can understand the issue of overflow is not even a question. It has to be done. So there's People's Park that is there. There are arrangements to cater for those things and so on and so forth. Even like abantu abavuka as early as they can to go to Mabhida.